one in the Super Series 2026. We have Group MX Racing Motocross up to 125cc. We have Supun Shanta, Sandev Amar Singh, Tarindun Adishan, Jayadeleka, Hashan Bhagya, Malinda Jayasundara, Jay Shanta, EAPN Edir Singh, J. Nishanta, Ravisha Jayshan, Tarakanamal, Dhananjay Bandara. I think it comprises of many more competitors. All set and all in the race line. We also have Kamaldeen Hamdan, another big name, Sudesh Jalat, Saminder Sandun. It's racing up to 125cc. All set and here they go. The racing motocross. The top racing riders and Kamaldeen Hamdan coming back very strong. After a silence of over 1 year, I was told that he was in UK for a while. But a lot of potentials behind Kamaldeen Hamdan. We saw how he performed. All eyes on competition number 70 for Kamaldeen Hamdan. But not forgetting, we have Malinda Jayasundara, Ravisha Jayshan. Well, I think it's Ravisha Jayshan leading as at now. Number 64, yes, as I told you, it is Ravisha Jayshan leading the race. What an event. Tire to tire. Then, as I told you very correctly, Kamaldeen Hamdan coming back after a silence of 1 year, following closely Ravisha Jayshan in the racing up to 125cc two-stroke event. Ravisha Jayshan, even a close battle by Kamaldeen Hamdan. And also I was told he took part in a few training activities in the United Kingdom with a long stay for more than 360 days over in UK. Coming back very strong. Let's see whether he could do a difference. But Ravisha Jayshan and Nisala Malinda all on top form. The whole of last year, number 64, Ravisha Jayshan, not making any errors moving forward. We have Tarakanamal also, I think, coming in number 3. But it's none other than Ravisha Jayshan on competition number 64, leading the race in style, but followed closely by Kamaldeen Hamdan. Kamaldeen Hamdan. And we have 65, Tarakanamal coming in 3rd place. So there's a close battle. And we also have number 46, Nisala Malinda in 4th place. Very strange, but he's going to come back strong. So it is Ravisha Jayshan, Kamaldeen Hamdan, Namal, and also Nisala Malinda. So this is the type of racing where everybody is expecting in an event of this nature. What more could you get for the amount of time you're spending? And this is exactly what you want in motor racing. The close battles of this nature. Nisala Malinda, Ravisha Jayshan, Kamaldeen Hamdan, and not forgetting Namal Silva today coming in very strong. But there's a change of places. Namal Silva taking over Kamaldeen Hamdan and coming into 2nd place. So Kamaldeen Hamdan had to step back and go into 3rd place. So it is still Ravisha Jayshan. Now it is number 65, Tarakanamal, and 3rd it is Kamaldeen Hamdan. So what a battle between these three. It is going to be a nail-biting finish, or probably it's going to be a photo finish between these three. Look at these riders. They are extremely battling it, going through the jumps, the whoops, back to back. Well, Ravisha Jayshan not making any mistakes. And we could see Nisala Malinda getting very close to Namal. But once again, there's a change of place. Kamaldeen Hamdan has come back strong. Kamaldeen Hamdan has come back strong and managed to secure his 2nd place. And Namal Silva on 65. Taraka Namal, correction, Taraka Namal has moved down to third place, and with Nisala Malinda Jayasundara in fourth place. So what a battle between first, second and third, fourth. From the word go, they have been battling it close. Well, Kamaldeen Hamdan using all his techniques to get over Ravisha Jayashan, but it isn't going to be that easy because they have been proving themselves the whole of 2025 of what super riders they were. Kamaldeen Hamdan trying hard, but we know Nisala and Ravisha were the two stars in 2025, especially in the 125 class. So still it is number 64, Ravisha Jayashan trying hard. Kamaldeen Hamdan taking him for a couple of seconds, but still it is Ravisha Jayashan. Kamaldeen Hamdan, can he do it? 64-70 and 65. What a battle. I think worth the money for all those who have come over here, and everybody watching on live too must be really impressed to see an event of this nature. This is what racing is all about. The Group MX Racing Motocross Bets.com Trophy. 64, 70, 65 and 46. 1, 2, 3, 4. What an event this has been. The three riders not letting it go. None can relax. The battle continues between Ravisha Jayashan, Kamaldeen Hamdan. What a race, what a race. 64, Ravisha Jayashan. Number 70, Kamaldeen Hamdan. Number 65, Taraka Namal. And Ravisha Jayashan takes the